Alright guys, so today I have another Yabo, yet another box opening. No return address, so hopefully there's a note inside. Today's EDC, which is deep in my pocket here, because there's no pocket clip, is the one-handed trekker. I just took this on a long hike, which is very nice. I decided to keep using it. Someone asked me how I like the forward serrations. It's just different. I don't really mind the serrations. I actually have an old video where someone sent me one of these and said, hey, can you remove those? And I did. I just reprofiled it, ground it down a little bit, resharpened it so it was a plain edge. I don't mind them at all. They're sharp and they work. What I do mind, unfortunately, is because I'm right-handed, this liner lock here is very difficult for me to use with just my right hand. So I have to use two hands for this. Or I could just close it with my left hand, which I'm not used to doing. But if you are a lefty, what an awesome, awesome little liner lock. So yeah. That's all the cutting we need to do in this video. Let's see what's going on here. Ooh, cool knife pad. Oh, I know what this is. This is a trade. All right, you guys are gonna see a trade video. What do you think about that? We have Squid Industries Trainer Balisong. This is the PVC one. He was asking me if I ever used one of these. I never have. So that is pretty cool. Very lightweight. Whoa. Gotta flip off camera here, sorry. Ooh, I like it. You know what? It's kind of bigger and chunky and it reminds me of the BB Barflies, but way less noisy and just smoother. It's just smoother and it's a little bit lighter. So that is pretty cool. Definitely awesome. Maybe you'll see a separate video on this once I get some more usage on it. But very, very cool. And this knife right here, very expensive knife from Curtis Knives. I didn't recognize the logo here. A nice pouch. This is their F3. That's a nice pouch. It's like, I don't know, kind of velvety. So let's check this out. Ooh, that is really nice. So I'm not sure if this is one I'm going to save for, you know, trading it off again, or this is one I'm going to end up carrying, using, and doing a review on. Not quite sure yet. I might do both. I might use it and carry it and then just, you know, trade it off. I'll have a little bit less value because it's used, but that's no big deal. This is about a $600 knife, so it's not often that I get very expensive knives for review, so I probably will take advantage of that and actually use this thing. But I love the anodized hardware on here. Very interesting pocket clip. You can see frame lock. Curtis Knives. There's a bunch of different variations on this. Different colors, different styles. Man, that thing is super smooth. Nice bearing. Let me open this slowly. Wow. It's like it's running on glass. That is nice. It is small. You wouldn't think so. You could choke up. That feels very nice too. Love the grinds on it. That is very surprising. I wasn't really exposed to a lot of this work until I was offered this this trade, and then I started looking them up, and I really kind of fell in love with them. They're pretty cool. Very pricey though. So you guys will, I'll say it now. I know a lot of people don't like when I say I'm going to do a review on something, but then I don't. That's usually just because I didn't use it enough. It got traded back off, or I don't have it anymore. But I'm not comfortable doing knife reviews on knives I don't use. So, I mean, I could do a first impressions video on a knife, but even then, I'd rather do a review. But yeah, well, there you go. My first impressions are definitely a huge thumbs up. It's a very nice knife. Is it $600 knife? Well, I don't know. That is the price tag, so, or in and around. Very cool, though. Let's see. You got a little card, business card. Very nice. All right, well, stay tuned. You will see a review on this. I'm deciding right now I'm going to carry and use this thing. And of course, where'd it go? Over here. Old Mr. Squiddy. Not sure quite about this one yet as far as a review, but I would say, yeah, probable. So two very cool knives. I have to go contact the person that sent this to me and let them know that their very nice stuff is going out to them ASAP. And that's it for this video. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Take care.